beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we're going to be doing a eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I'm doing an end of the summer makeup video, and I decided to separate the eyeshadow look because it's just so pretty and do a dedicated tutorial on it. So I said, you know what, why not? Let's do this. It's been a long time since I've done eyeshadow, and this came out to be such a pretty look. So if you're interested in seeing the eyeshadow look that I do, then go ahead and grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, because you know we're still trying to get healthy up in this joint, and then keep on watching. Brows are nice and cleaned up. You look much better, much more like in your face. So let's start this out. The first thing that we're going to start out with is our eyes, and I got these cute little quads from Colourpop. I think I'm gonna go with this pink and yellow one. I haven't done eyeshadow in I don't even know how long, because honestly it's been so long. I can't even think how long it is. We're going to start out with an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer because I don't have a new eyeshadow primer. I kind of stick with what I know and I like. It's between this one and the P. Louise, but I don't feel like putting P. Louise on today. I just put it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used to clean up my brows, just to put this primer right on. You see how I have like a round shoulder, so it just kind of falls down. I really like this primer because my shadows stick to it nicely. And you guys know that I love Colourpop eyeshadows. I'm obsessed with Colourpop. I haven't bought as much because I'm trying not to buy a lot of makeup. I have so much makeup and I hardly use it at this point. I need to get back into it, so I'm gonna try. So we're gonna use, this is the Sunday Funday pressed powder palette. This is from like the little sweet sugar ice cream line or whatever, maybe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pink and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. I'm using the Colourpop E2 pencil, or excuse me, E2 brush. What was that about? So tap off some excess. I'm gonna use that. I'm just gonna hack it into the crease. These are nice and pigmented, as you can see. I'm not going all the way to the inner corner because we're going to use that yellow. Like this. And then with a smaller brush, I'm just going to blend it out. It's a clean brush, there's nothing in it. There's nothing, no shadow. I'm just going to blend that out. Now, in that same little quad, they have like a deeper, this is like a shimmery pink, but we're gonna use that on the outer portion. So I'm gonna take a brush. This is a clean brush, it's just stained. I'm gonna take that pink, and we're just gonna got that. I'm gonna take that right here in the outer V. Pretty color. See? And then I'm going to go back in with that first brush. Take a little bit of that light pink, and I'm just going to buff this so it doesn't look as harsh. Perfect. Now you can go in with a concealer or with a base, and we're gonna actually go in with a base I am going to use my P. Louise base. I have a yellow, this one right here, because I want that yellow to be super bright. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this on a flat brush, and we're going to do like a half cut crease type of thing. I was going to go simple, but I haven't done crazy makeup in like so long, so let's just go all out. I'm going to take this on a flat brush, and we're just going to follow the crease. Okay, so just like that. So with another small like packing brush, I'm going to take that yellow, and it has like a little bit of shimmers in it, which is pretty. And we're going to place that right on top of that. Oh, that's beautiful. So pretty. This is a pretty ass yellow. It's beautiful. Look at that. Yes. Definitely what I was going for. So this is a pressed powder palette. So you see all the fallout that I have here? That's why I always do my eyes first. Now I'm going to go into that brush again with the pink, and I'm just kind of gonna mesh it together so it doesn't look so broken. I'm just gonna tap right in the middle so that they blend well. They blend right into each other. Pretty. It's very pretty. Love it. Okay. I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I did both of my eyes, and I'm obsessed. I think this looks super pretty, very end of summer type of vibes, which I'm going for because we are already getting ready to go into fall, and I love fall because spooky season is coming. But let's finish this. I don't have a new liquid liner because I just don't. I haven't been doing liquid liner, but I have a couple of liners here that I want to use. This is the Kat Von D tattoo liner. This is the Dagger. It's in Trooper Black. And then I have the Tardiest one, just because. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to create a wing liner with this, because I haven't done a liner in a very long time. And I know who starts in the inside. I do. I start in the inside. You don't like it? Oh well. Most people start their wing on the outside. I can't start my wing on the outside. For some reason it just doesn't work for me. It ends up always super long. I'm gonna go home and do the other one, and I'll be back. Okay, this is as good as I can get it. I cleaned it up with a makeup wipe, but they're not even. I'll have to fix it later. But this is what we're rolling with right now. This is a little baby wing, I call it, because usually my wings are like all the way out to here, but nonetheless, this is what we're working with. I'm going to tight line and then try on this mascara. We're gonna go in with the Big Mood Mega Volume Lifting Mascara from Elle. Go ahead and tight line. Just gonna use the Tardiest because it's a double one, so we're gonna tight line in here. And we're not gonna put it on the lower lashes because I'm gonna use a different color for the lower lashes. Gonna run with that. Let's go in with this mascara. So I'm gonna finish off my eyes. So we're gonna go back into that little quad. I'm gonna take this color and this color and I'm gonna run it on my lower lashes. I'm gonna use this color for the inner corner. So I'm just gonna take that brush that we used earlier, flat brush, and tap off, and we're gonna go right on. And then I'm gonna take this brush with that light pink, and I'm just gonna sweep that right up there. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush and I'm gonna take that really light color that we have in the palette and take that and put that in my inner corner. I'm just gonna drag a little bit of that right down. Perfect. You can wet your brush if you want it more intense, which I probably will. But that's not a bad inner corner. All right. Last but not least, we're going to put, because the color is like an orangey yellow, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop cream gel liner, and this is in the color Unts, and I'm gonna run this on my lower waterline just to give it a little bit of a punch. You could do yellow, but I feel like with the pink, it just looks so pretty. Like I have yellow too. You could do like a little dab of yellow. This is the color Crossed. And this is the final look. Let's throw on some mascara on the bottom. All right, I like this formula. I wish the wand was just a tiny bit smaller, but all right, and that completes this video. I will be doing more makeup tutorials and more makeup videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below so you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is 3 days a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, you know, if life permits. And yes, I appreciate you guys hanging with me. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. And I will see all you beauties in my next video.